Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. I had this just came into my door a few days ago. Okay, only today I can do the review or the unboxing. Actually, I bought this product previously before, and it's lost, so I buy another one. But this one another brand, so yeah. So I'm gonna do the unboxing of this Brazing Blowtorch. This is by Shenglai, which is I bought from Shopee, and the price is only 8 ringgit 60 cents. But actually, I bought together with the set. Okay, if we buy, if I buy, if you buy the thing, this thing only, it will cost you 8 ringgit 60 cents. But if the one that I bought, the one that I bought is with the set, which is the brazing blowtorch, the torch, and also the together with the butane gas, which is 11 ringgit 90 cents. The one in the picture is this one, right? But when I got it, just a moment, I got this one. So it's a different brand, but it's the same butane gas cartridge, 230 gram. Okay, so before we unboxing, let's look into some of the pictures and also details. So just a moment. Anda semua, so hari ni saya buat demo tentang ni Tosh Cash ni, bagaimana kita nak welding pakai. Anda semua, so hari ni saya buat demo tentang ni Tosh Cash ni, bagaimana kita nak welding pakai dia. Okay, so kita buka kepala dia, ni ubat dia, tembaganya, copper. So dia serbuk dia, serbuk ni untuk membersihkan permukaan dia, so dia lebih senang makan, lebih senang cairkan copper nanti dia dekat. Okay, so kita nak pakai ni gas dia, ni lubang dia, kita masuk balik, ikut ni, tekan dalam, masuk, pusing ke kiri. Okay, sedap lah. Okay, lepas tu kita pakai lighter untuk spark api dia keluar. Kita welding, kita pakai serbuk, bersihkan permukaan, kita pakai copper ni untuk welding tempat dia lah. Okay, so kita tutup balik, pusingkan kanan. Okay, like that. I lazy to do the demo, so you see that already. Okay, yeah, the pictures. So the one that I bought is together with the butane gas. But this one I just do the focusing on this brazing blowtorch. Okay, and then let's see, this is the name, description. Got description? No, I forgot to say. Okay, description. So it's a brazing kit. Okay, let's unboxing. So let's look closely to the product itself. Shenglai. Okay, later we go to the focusing on the item itself, one by one. Now we go behind. How to braze copper or copper alloy pipes. Tips for good brazing. I never do the brazing before. Which is no. I did when I was at school before, secondary school. Okay, now we unboxing. Okay, so you got this flux. Okay, 2 pieces like this. Alright, wait. And then the torch. So okay, actually I already tried, so it's a bit burn, a bit if not it will be not as dark as like that. Okay, so yeah, turn. And the knob, this is to for the to turn off, and then this to turn on, turn on here, turn off here, like that. And then this one, the flap paste. Can you read it? Okay, how to use this before, but oh, it's very fine. Okay lah. Okay, so that's it. That's it, the unboxing from me for the Brazing Blowtorch. Brazing Blowtorch. I'm gonna do another video for the button gas. So just the details of the button gas itself. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested with the product, I'm gonna leave the link below the video. Thank you very much for watching. This is me, Dior Shaari. By the way, after quite boring after that, I decided to just to try on put on the button gas, then see how it goes with this my new Brazing Blowtorch, whether it's good or not. So let's go. So yeah, it's working good. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.